wherein I follow this site for different news articles. Anything and everything mostly is shared here. But this is one of the sites that I follow. A few of the news that I have come across, I have highlighted on the top. We'll just go across that. You all can check out. There are many news articles here. पूरा दुनिया भर का इसमें दिया हुआ है. You can check it out. Now this is a prominent food company in the US. If you look at the products, this is the company, Dole Food Company. It has a revenue of 450 crore USD in 2016. This is the website of this company. It has different products, majorly fruits, vegetables, all of these things. The problem with these products is two major problems. First is that these are perishable items. They perish. They can get rotten. Second problem is they can get adulterated. इसमें mixing, injection, pesticide बहुत लगाते हैं. So what they have decided is, from wherever they get the product, they analyze it and everything. So there can be a probability that after they analyze it and they roll it out, other people can mix things in that, or anyone else can just put the seal and the sticker of Dole Foods and roll it out. That should not happen. So उसके लिए Dole ने क्या बोला है? Dole plans to use blockchain food tracing in all divisions by 2025. So whatever food these guys will analyze and roll out, it will be updated on the blockchain. So what is going to happen? You can simply remove your phone, you can scan their barcode on the application, और आपको वो particular product का पूरा history मिल जाएगा. कहाँ पे उगा था, what farm was it grown on, which distributor took it, from there which sub-distributor took it, from there which shopkeeper took it, from there you are buying. तो पूरा है, ये पूरा उन्होंने आर्टिकल लिखा हुआ है. Okay, and trust me, this is not the first time this is happening. It has already happened in different other sectors. In fact, यही सेक्टर में दूसरे जगह भी हो चुका है. Whole Foods, Walmart, they are also doing something similar. Okay, now even Dole Foods is going in that. Next, there's a blockchain called as Tezos. So there are different blockchains who are into staking. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ नाम दिए हुए हैं. XTZ is Tezos, EOS is another blockchain, Algo is another blockchain, Dash, Tron, TRX, XM, SNX, बहुत सारे blockchains. These are all staking blockchains. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? आप ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी खरीदो, आप अपना स्टेकिंग वॉलेट इनिशियलाइज करो, ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी को आप अपने वॉलेट में रखो, and it will start giving you rewards. So Tezos is one of the most prominent coins as is, because the technology and the team behind this is fabulous. They are doing excellent work. All right, and now it has just surpassed EOS, is total locked in crypto in staking basically. So how much ever EOS was there, it is now above that. So Tezos is the largest staking network currently, if you look at it. So there are certain other articles given here. Okay, you all can check it out later on. Another news in blockchain, China's national blockchain will change the world. As you might have heard, there was a blockchain currency being launched by Facebook. So Facebook was launching a currency by the name of Libra. They had combined with Calibra, and the company, the team was Calibra, and they had purchased that, and they started working on a cryptocurrency called as Libra coin. It was all over the news. You might have heard about it.
Yeah.
As soon as they started working on it, all the governments panicked. Why? Because Facebook already has a lot of people on their platform. They have a lot of people on their platform. If these guys launched Libra and it was successful. In fact, that time the project was backed by Visa, the project was backed by PayPal. All the top payment networks were backing it. So if Facebook would launch such a big currency, America, China, Russia, these countries would start looking small. That's why a lot of restrictions were put on the team, and China immediately launched its own digital cryptocurrency. COBC, China's Central Bank of China, CBOC, it immediately, the very next day, it stated that we are launching our own cryptocurrency in China. So you imagine China has around 20% of the world in itself. If 20% of the world starts using one crypto, what is going to be the value of that crypto? So immediately after Facebook, China suggested that we will launch our own cryptocurrency. But this is another news here. What is this saying? Apart from the cryptocurrency, they will also have their own blockchain platform, wherein all the details would be handed over, or all the transactions now would be happening on this platform. So what is this professor saying? Professor Michael Sung is a founder and chairman of Carbon Blue Innovations, a tech transfer platform for commercializing internationally sourced blockchain, fintech and digital finance innovations in developing countries. He is also co-director of Fintech Research Center at Fanhai International School of Finance in Fundon University. So there they have started building their own national blockchain, and that they are saying that it will change the world. The BSN will catalyze the globalized digital economies of the future. So they're saying that it is going to make the platforms of the world look very small, and everything is going to be working on this network. So they've highlighted a lot of things. You can go through this. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your eyes, we know Venezuela is right now also in a state of crisis. Technically, the entire world is. If you all have attended my session that I had taken the other day, I had highlighted around 16 million people were being laid off in the US.
Yeah.
Around 12 crore Indians are being laid off here. More than that now. Recently, last week, the number of US from 16 million has crossed 26 million. In India also, I am believing that it has, must have touched around 15 crore from 12. It must have moved up to 15 crore in the last 8 to 10 days. Because there is a loss of economy, because there is a loss in terms of revenue, in terms of the offices and every shops and everything being shut. There's a lot of layover happening. People are just laying off people. The companies are just releasing those people, right? So, the reason why I had shared all of that data, I didn't want to scare you all. I just wanted to make you all aware of what is happening around the globe, and you need to be prepared for it. No intentions of scaring anyone, no intentions of creating panic, just the intention of making you aware of the current situation, and you need to align yourself with the most prominent trends and technology. If you know the best tech, you will come out of it. Okay. Now Venezuela, already in a state of crisis, they were forced to use their own currency. Why? Because US dollar was illegal. So what they did, they started using Bitcoin. Recently, Venezuela breaks Bitcoin trading record. Argentina also sees 1,000% jump in BTC volume since 2018. Chile hits all-time high in April on local Bitcoin. So you can see, in spite of US dollar, Bitcoin and all of these things being illegal, Venezuelans, Argentinians know that in a state of crisis, what is going to hold them strong? The money that they have, it's going to become worthless. Why? Because the governments are printing more and more and more and more money. The government has completely, stopped considering even that if you and I are holding a few lakhs in the account, that value of that money is going to go down. So what these guys have realized, they have realized that if they turn to these cryptocurrencies, it's going to hold still. It's going to increase. See, this is the chart that has been specified here. You can read the article in depth later on. Now, this fellow is a big time supporter of Bitcoin, Max Keiser. He has his own Twitter handle. You can check him out. He has given earlier also the different price claims on Bitcoin. Recently, yesterday, he came up with this claim that Max Keiser doubles down on his $4 lakh Bitcoin price prediction. So he is predicting, he's the fellow, that Bitcoin will go up to $4 lakh. So Saudis will keep pumping until demand of oil goes to zero. America, we will keep printing until demand for USD goes to zero. Gold, $10,000. Bitcoin, 4 lakh. Okay, so if these 2-3 things keep on happening, Max Keiser suggests that this price valuation of Bitcoin will go up higher. Obviously, he also does a lot of analysis and all of these things. So probably Bitcoin will touch that. It would be great if Bitcoin touches that. Even if it touches like half or 1/4 of the value that he suggested, it's going to be killer. It's going to be killer. Already shared the Facebook news with y'all. Now this is a website. Now, if you know, we've spoken about Ethereum quite a lot. Now Ethereum, what happens is that in Ethereum, currently the algorithm that they use is called as proof of work. It is exactly same as Bitcoin. It is pointed out, or it is seen that proof of work takes up a lot of energy. So the developers of Ethereum, what they suggested, that why not move from proof of work to proof of stake? That takes up less energy. So because of that, they are currently getting an update on Ethereum, which is called as the Constantinople update, using the Casper protocol, which is called as Ethereum 2.0. So if you have Ethereum, you can simply migrate to Ethereum 2.0. And what can you do there? You can simply stake your Ethereum. So suppose you buy, say, 10 Ethereum, which is worth around $2,000 currently. If you look at the price of Ethereum since the last week, there's no last week here. Okay, let's look at 1 week. Since the last week, the price was around 180. Last Saturday, 174. It rose up, then it crashed back to 167, and now it is around 195, 193. So you can see that the price has gone up. It's really great. I hope it goes up further. So anyways, so this Ethereum is Ethereum 1.0. When Ethereum 2.0 comes in, when the Casper protocol or the Constantinople update comes in, Ethereum 2.0 will be ready for staking. So you buy 10 Ethereum for this particular price. I think 1.5 lakh in INR if you convert it. And you just stake it. You just put it in a wallet which is connected to the internet on your system being connected 24/7 to the internet, and you just say, let's stake it. Then this is the calculator that will tell you at the end of 10 years, how much ETH will you have? What will you be getting in return? Okay, the US dollar price that is associated, that does not matter. Why? Because in the future, if the price increases, this price will go up. I generally talk in terms of currency. I don't talk in terms of this fiat currency. I just talk in terms of crypto. So if you are putting in 10 ETH, at the end of the first year, you'll be getting the return on investment around 14.26%. you'll be having 11 ETH, 11.42. The next would be another 14% of this, which is 13.03, and this will go on. So by the end of 10 years, your 10 Ethereum would be converted into 37.93. Obviously, there are some other conditions that are associated, like how much time your system is online, how many other people are staking. So a lot of things are involved, but on an average, you will have achieved quite a good return on Ethereum network. Okay, so this is just a simple calculator. There are different variables that they have suggested. If you want, you can go through this entire thing. I'll share the link with you of this also. And the last update for today is this browser. So this is a browser, the Brave browser, which has registered over 6 lakh creators till now. 17% just in a month. So it has registered 17%. Now what is this? We use different browsers like Chrome. We use browsers like Internet Explorer, which is like the most pathetic one that I have found. My personal opinion, we use browsers like Safari. In spite of using all of this, we get advertisements, we get bombarded with different ads, we get bombarded with different things like ads and different sites, unwanted things opening up, and a lot of problems. This browser that is there, which is the Brave browser, this is the site of it. If you want, you can download it. This browser basically has a cryptocurrency token associated with it. Okay, now a lot of people have this question, where should I get the tokens? Depending on which token you want. If you want a cryptocurrency token, you can work for it. Okay, suppose you work for me and you say, boss, I don't want to get paid in INR, you pay me in Ethereum. I would be more than happy to do so. So you find people who can pay you in crypto first. Second, you can do mining, you can become a validator. You keep on mining, you can earn cryptocurrency tokens. Third, you get subscribed to these incentive programs. So this browser, Brave, it's a browser. I'll open it and show it to you all. So I have installed it on my system. This is that browser. So it's just like a normal browser, but the only difference is you can get paid in this browser. So when you're using this browser, you can specify here, there's a setting, Brave Rewards. So in this, you can mention that do you want to get paid? So if you want advertisements, they will give you ads and they will pay you. Are you able to see this, guys?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to get paid, you want to earn tokens, you can just, click on this, you get paid. You don't want ads, you just switch it off. Some other rewards will be there that the browser gives that will still keep coming in. And this all happens in terms of BAT, Basic Attention Token. BAT means Basic Attention Tokens. Let's browse it here only. I will click yes. I don't want to contribute, or let's contribute, not a big problem. So I'll say coin market cap. It will search, it will go here. See, there are some ads that are stored here. So we'll just cancel it and we will search for BAT, Basic Attention Token. What is the price of it? The price is at this particular level, right? So in this way, the number of users for this token has shot up. The number of creators for this token have shot up. So if you want, you can install this, you can use it, and you can simply start earning money.